you get to take a break from your routine life. Homesick बहुत जल्दी हो जाते हैं लोग, मैं बहुत जल्दी हो जाती हूँ. You know, we all see on social media all the travel vlogs. They all seem so perfect. They seem so fun. They seem amazing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, as I had mentioned in my earlier vlogs that I'll be traveling in a few months. So I am currently out of town and we are in Himachal Pradesh. Currently I am in Dalhousie. We came here yesterday around 1:32 और फिर हम बहुत ही थक गए थे because we had a long road journey from Amritsar to Dalhousie. तो काफ़ी थक गए थे तो हम कल बस सब सो गए थे और रिलैक्स कर रहे थे. अभी आज सुबह से हमने थोड़े से प्लेसेस को एक्सप्लोर किया है. नाउ आई जस्ट गॉट सम टाइम टू जस्ट सिट एंड टॉक. सो द टॉपिक फॉर दिस वीडियो आई थॉट शुड बी द अप्स एंड डाउन्स ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग बिकॉज you know, we all see on social media all the travel vlogs. They all seem so perfect. They seem so fun. They seem amazing, which is true. Like 50% of it is true, but no one talks about the downs of traveling. So we'll be talking about both of those things. Let's start with the good part, the ups about traveling. The first thing I feel is that you get to take a break from your routine life. At least for me, I needed a break like very badly because I remember the last time we took this long break was 4 years back when we had gone to Goa. So the first good part is that you get to take a break from your routine and do stuff which you could have never done at home. You get to do things you always wanted to do in your leisure time. So this is one of the good points. The second best part about traveling is that you get to meet and experience new experiences. You get to see new people, you get to meet new people, you get to explore new places, you get to see scenes like this which is behind me, which you don't actually get in your city. So basically new people, new places is what you get to see, and it just gives you better perspective on life and it gives you a broader perspective of life. I feel आज ही सुबह हमने बहुत अमेजिंग जगह देखी है. It was similar to Pahalgam, but not Pahalgam. It was a different place. But oh my god, such big landscapes. It's just so pleasing to your eyes and you feel just refreshed after seeing such scenes. These are the things I love about traveling. Let's talk about the second part, which is the downs of traveling. The first biggest down I feel is that you become homesick very quickly. At least for me, I become homesick very very fast. अभी जैसे हमने 2-3 दिन ही हुए ट्रैवलिंग होकर एंड आई एम ऑलरेडी फीलिंग होमसिक. आई जस्ट फील लाइक गोइंग बैक टू माई हाउस एंड जस्ट स्लीपिंग ऑन माई बेड एंड सिटिंग ऑन माई प्लेस एंड हैविंग माई चाय ऑन माई प्लेस. होमसिक बहुत जल्दी हो जाते हैं लोग, मैं बहुत जल्दी हो जाती हूँ. द सेकेंड पार्ट अबाउट ट्रैवलिंग इज़ दैट यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग सिक. रोड सिकनेस इज समथिंग विच इज़ हॉरिबल. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ रोड सिकनेस. सो इफ़ यू गो एनी वेयर आउटसाइड, थोड़ा बहुत रोड ट्रैवलिंग तो होने ही वाला है. In that way, being sick and just not feeling well the whole time just does not give you a good experience. So having road sickness is not nice and just not comfortable, and you're not able to enjoy the place completely and fully because you are sick. So your entire attention goes to your health. That's it. I think these are the two ups and downs of traveling. And other thing which I had to share is that people say that you should take a break from work and go out and travel and just enjoy and take a pause. But for some people even that's difficult. Like for me, it's been like 3 days since I have not done any work. No social media work, no content work, no studying, nothing. I'm just enjoying, I'm just being present and doing what I want to do. So even this is a little uncomfortable for me because this is a lot different from what I used to do in my routine. So it will take like 2 more days for me to be comfortable to not work and actually like take a break mentally and physically. Yeah, just wanted to share this, that taking break sounds very easy, but when it comes to actually taking a break and doing nothing, that's difficult but takes time. But after a few days you become comfortable and you start enjoying your travel more. So I think yeah, that is it. Abhi actually sunset hone wala in a few time. I'll add a time lapse if I can of the sunset after this part so that you can enjoy the view with me. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this part. Please do not forget to like, share and comment, and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel because I am putting a lot of efforts and being consistent on YouTube. So please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, take care, and I will now see you in my next one. Bye. Basically नई जगह, नई लोग, नई जगह नहीं. The second part. So let's talk. तो being homesick, sorry.